Hello friends, welcome to another video of Color Stack Training by Slidescope. In this video, you will learn how to rename MP4 or in fact any particular files to CSV files column value or Excel files column value. Suppose you have an Excel file. So in our case, we have our Excel file. So we have some sample interview questions for PostgreSQL here. So this is interview question 1, topic is basics, then question and what could be a possible answer for this. So we have 10 such questions listed here. It can be any number of questions. Then we also have a folder where our MP4 files are saved. So I have saved the MP4 files as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9 and 9A. So I have just in 9A here. So by some program these files were generated in this format. So when I downloaded these files from Canva with a bulk upload, I got these files in this format, like their names are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on. But what we want here is we want this question to be the title of these files. So if that is the case, then while uploading these videos to YouTube, we will have title to these videos instead of these random or instead of these numbers. So or it can be any case for you. So this is how we actually generated the script for the tabular file. Now let's rename this file. So you will need, first of all, you will need pandas and you will need OS, and then you have to read the file. So df is equal to pd dot read underscore csv, and then the name of that file, let's write that name. So the name of that file for us is this port pandas spd, sorry. Yeah, and then our data frame will be created, which will be nothing but that particular file. So next thing is, assuming your CSV file has a column named new name with the new names, so we will generate a variable called new name. So we are just selecting one column, which is in our case is questions. So our column will be questions here. Let me copy this and paste it. So now we have questions. So in this new name we have a series now. New names is a series, which is this. So now we have this series where we have all these questions. Now the next thing is to go to this particular folder. So the folder in which our MP4 files are saved, I have saved it in the same drive where I have opened my Jupyter notebook. So if you are doing it with the help of the command line interface, just using Python, in that case here you have to provide the full qualified path of your CSV file, like something like this, like C and then folder and then file name dot csv. So you have to provide it like this. In my case, because I am running the Jupyter notebook from the same folder where my CSV file is, so I am just directly writing the name of this. Now next we have to do is write the name of our MP4 file. So actually I saved this program earlier, so directory where your MP4 files are located. So in our case the directory is this directory pg interview, and we will simply replace this name here with that particular name. So there is some problem in my keyboard. We'll copy this name and paste it here. Now let's simply run this. Again, in your case, if you are running from some other location, you have to provide the fully classified path of your folder, which you can copy. Suppose your file is saved here, so you can copy this. Okay. and then just replace the backslashes with forward slashes. That's all you have to do. Now we have loaded our mp4 files. Now we have to loop through every file and rename them with this particular series element. So in this series, at position 0 we have what is Postgre 1 2 3 and so on. So we have these values. Now we have to rename it. So we have this our mp4 files is f for f in os.list directory. So with the help of os module we are using list directory method. So list directory will explore this mp4 folder path, and if the file ends with .mp4, similarly you can do it for any file, like if your file is pdf, if your file is csv, png, whatever, you have to rename dynamically with the help of some CSV value. So you can do that. So this is our mp4 files. This is basically a list of mp4 files. Let's copy and paste this so that you can understand what is the output of this. You can see this is the list of all mp4 file names, and since it's a list we can iterate over it. So for I comma mp4 file in enumerate mp4 file, this simply means we are taking two variables, and old path will be os.path.join the mp4 folder path mp4 file. So mp4 file is obviously going to be this particular value, and then we will join with the new path. So here we will provide the new name. This I is going to iterate over this particular list, and we will just add mp4 there, and then with the help of os.rename function we will remove the old path with the new path, and let's execute this. We are getting an error. So we had to just clean this data because in the file names there were some special characters like question mark, like parenthesis. Even this full stop might cause some problem. So make sure your names are clean. You can replace something like comma or something uh, that can be a problem in file name. So after doing all that, when we run this file, you can see our files file names have been replaced, and now when you will see this folder you will see all the names are there. So from CSV file we read a column and renamed 12345 6.mp4 to their respective files. We can also, let's play, this is explain JSON DB. Let's play this file. So again you can see the same content is appearing here, which simply means that the task has been done successfully.